Today we're going to get the stolly going for the last time. That looks safe. These are extremely heavy. I reckon I can pick this up with the end of my knob. You got it? I'm expecting great things from these. Now just lift that NATO down with one hand. You always need a hammer. Oh, Daddy's going to help. Good boy. I do like this old thing.
All these gauges made by Smiths not working.
They actually are. Oh. I think every gauge on that works, even the hour clock, which I had to smash the lens.
Well, let's have the hammer then.
No, don't break them. The only thing that this needs is the ignition switch fell to bits.
Oh, they all don't they?
But in the other Solly, it's perfect. The dashboard in the other one is perfect. So, there's only a cheap switch.
LHM?
LHM. Ah, well, yes.
It's all in the Bentley.
It's in the Bentley. No, I think I've got one somewhere. I'm going. Do we need some?
That's empty, the clutch thing.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
That'll be why that's
the clutch isn't working.
I'll go and get some LHM. What's going on here?
It's disconnecting the battery. Oh, of course, it's going round and round, isn't it?
It'll be fine. Oh, it's cold. It is very cold. Only the best. Hopefully that'll be enough, because the rest is in the Bentley.
Kids I used to bleed these in.
Oh, they're great. I think what we'll probably have to do is reverse bleed it again, though. Probably don't even bother boring it in there.
I'm going to put a little bit in there.
Because I think I'll just prime it straight off the oil can and reverse bleed it.
Have you got a pumpy?
I just use a little oil can with a rubber hose on the crack the bleed nipple off. And reverse it works perfectly. Honestly, it's a brilliant way of doing it.
It's a bit poverty.
I wouldn't push that because it's likely the plunger could get stuck back. Stupid boy.
Oh, we got bubbles.
Yeah. Right, well, I'll go and find a little oil can then, ready for priming that.
Make sure they're not.
Oh, yep, you have ignition.
Where?
It's already on. But watch the gauges.
Oh yeah, there's loads of fuel in it.
Just give it a crank, press the button. Right, stop. I'll get the fuel primed up.
Is that running?
No, we need to put some fuel in it. In fact, you can help me.
I want help.
Yeah, if you could just pour that in there, that'd be grand. bit chilly on the old hands today. What is it? Minus a bit of super unleaded. Don't spill any. Oh my god! It's about 30. Oh yeah, I was nearly a goner. Worried about the petrol.
Captain always goes down with his ship.
Yeah. Well, I tried to go down with the ship, but it refused to sink. Now I'm not going to know if we've spilt any.
Oh no.
I mean, not if we've spilt any. We know we've spilt some. I'm not going to know now if it's leaking. It never did, but yeah, I think it will. Now that Adam's spilt fuel everywhere. From the pump. Oh, it's priming the injector pump. On the left pump, actually. On the Rolls Royce B8T, B81. To be fair, we are getting resistance. Right, let's see what happens. It is mighty cold, and this thing hasn't started for, well, since we last used it, which was a couple of months ago now. Yeah! Ooh. Come on, girl, I have every faith. New belts fitted. Marcus Glenn. What a bloke. Sounding like no fuel. Come on, girl. Oh, what a babe. Starting to get life. Remarkable, this engine was stood for so long. Just a little bit of fuel in it. Oh, she's coming back to life. Oh, come on, girl. Oh, yes, she's away. Oh, what a bit of kit. I do love this story. Try and let it idle. Is that running, Adam? I think.
Yeah, it's running.
That's a gauge made by Smiths, actually working. Oh, we have oil pressure. I told you. Everything works on
Right.
It's good, isn't it? And she's idling. This is such a bit of kit. Right, the next thing we need to do, you stay running. Good girl.
Stay running.
Oh, that was a very low idle. We need to address that clutch.
Yeah, well, that's fluid, so we know that.
I'll go and get the brake cleaner. Just catch this NATO, Adam. It's a bouncing bomb.
Is that down?
Right, so we've put the LMH into the oil can. And now I'm going to try and back bleed. I've brought 3 spanners, all of which will be wrong. Oh god, where is it? Got all these twigs from when we went being hooligan with it. I'm well pleased that you can properly get in at this. Oh yeah, this is so accessible. Oh Adam, it's not the right spanner. Right, she's slacked off.
Here comes the point.
I think. Oh god. Right, wait. I think we're on. She's taking it.
I'll go and see what's happening in there.
Yeah, you go and see what's happening.
Pile of shit. Not even the right one. Pump again?
Well, it's gone hard.
I'm just wondering. Oh, hang on, it's labelled here, look. Been looking the wrong one.
So, we've gone for a better bleeding system. That was too much effort. Got a tyre stolen off Jack's car. More LHM. Oh dear, wonder that didn't come out the bottom. It's open. Instructions, nobody needs that. Oh God, what are we doing with all this?
Here we go. Pressure bleeder, take one. Somebody's going to end up with a face full of it, but not my face. You ready?
Try it.
That's working. I can see it going
The fluid's
down.
going down.
That's good.
Is
Hang
it
on.
going up the pot?
Hang on. Oh yeah, it's blowing it everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look at the air coming out.
Oh, we pressure bled?
We'll keep it. We'll put the whole bottle through it.
At 50%. Let's try it that.
Hang on, no, keep going, keep going.
Well, I need to somehow cut the spanner up.
Oh, it's still bubbling, Joe.
Yeah?
Yeah. Bubbling like.
Yeah. Right, see if you've got a clutch pedal. Oh. Big Dave would be all over this, wouldn't he? He just took the gearbox out of it. Where'd you get this from? I hope it's vegan friendly. A bit hard.
Because it's minus
It's
28.
very cold. Thank you very much. So Adam's just corrected it. He just said, "Oh well, that's a Remy crane that can power down the double-acting ram." You missed it, sadly. I love taking the piss out of him when he goes in serious mode. Right, do we have a clutch? Is the main thing.
Yeah. Yeah, there is a clutch there.
Bump it a few times.
Oh yeah, that's going to make all the difference.
It does. There's crazy stuff going on with the zoom.
Let's try it.
Right, I'm going to just press it one more time just to see if it's working the ram well. Come on, press it. Well, it's getting a fair bit of travel. I think she'll be okay. Oh. Oh. What's happened? There we go, we're away now. It is going round.
Is it?
Yeah, it's going a bit at a time. There we go. Nearly. Give it a kick of throttle. Come on, go. Yeah! Is that running? I'm going to get down and I'll film.
Where do you want me to go?
Huh?
Where do you want it?
We'll just go for a little drive round Jones's and turn round.
That's backwards and forwards, isn't it?
Huh?
That's backwards and forwards, that one.
Yeah, it's one of them. Don't do anything till I'm down, please. Don't think he's very happy. There we go.
Running really well.
A little bit of messing around with the choke. We need to let it warm up. It's freezing cold still. Oh yes. We're away. flying. Yes, keep it going. Adam, if you can just let me get out, I'll get a film of you driving it. Fuel trouble. Just struggling with fuel, isn't it? It does sound spectacular when she's going.
I reckon it's running out of fuel. I reckon if you put the Milwaukee compressor on the jerry can, and blow the jerry can up.
I think it's that lift pump isn't helping it.
Yeah, but if you put the compressor...
Yeah, I know what you're saying. There was petrol shooting out the top of that. Oh, what a babe. She's away. Ish. Here's the other one. That was a spectacular flash. Yeah, because...
I think that counts as a runner.
Huh?
I think that counts as a runner.
Yeah, it wants a lift pump. I've got a better lift pump. I'll probably send it with him. Well, I think if it was gravity feeding straight into the carb, it would have ran better. Yeah. I mean, that lift pump, the diaphragm's got it. It's just not helping matters. Because I'm such a good guy, I'm going to give him a decent takeoff pump. We shall put that there. Right, so I've actually sold these two stollies to a chap called Ben, and he has a YouTube channel where he will be doing them up, so I'll put the link to his channel in the description box in this video. His name's, well, Ben O'Cam, I think, on YouTube, so give him a follow. He's already got a stolly, so now he's going to have two stollies. He's also got an Abbott and a couple of other interesting bits and pieces, so if you want to see the update on the stollies, go over to his channel where he's going to be doing them up. I simply don't have the time. We've had a lot of fun with them. We saved them out the hedge, and hopefully Ben will take them the rest of the way. I think he's even going to get that one all done up as well, the one that's only a four-wheeler, so that'll be good to see. But we've also now got another vehicle to start, which is that one over there. That hasn't been run since 2013, so that'll be the next YouTube video I think we do. We'll do a Willet start on that. Cummins diesel, so I think it will start straight up. Put new batteries on that, and I filled it with fuel. Anyone that sells vehicles with no batteries and no fuel is a wank. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again.